Hello friends, today we'll discuss GUJCET 2026 mathematics paper one by one with detailed solutions. So please have patience, it is a long video for you. So first problem is from linear programming problem. The objective function was given and the two corner points and the value of z at that points are given. So we have to find the relation. So it was an easy problem. We have to put the points at 0, 10 the value is 90 and 5, 5 value is 60. We'll get two linear equation. While solving we'll get the relation q is equals to 3p, which is the B option is correct. Okay, problem number second. A and B are two events are given. Probability of A is given 5 by 11. Probability of B is given 2 by 11. And probability of A union B is given as 3 by 11. And we have to find the conditional probability of P of A dash by B dash. So P of A is 5 by 11, P of B is 2 by 11. So we'll get P of A dash as 1 minus probability of A. So we'll get 6 by 11. Similarly, P of B dash will get 9 by 11. P of A union B ka dash, that is 1 minus 3 by 11, which is 8 by 11. So probability of A dash by B dash is equals to the conditional probability formula, the probability of A dash intersection B dash upon probability of B dash. So which is 8 by 11 upon 9 by 11, we'll get 8 by 9, which is the option C is correct for this problem. Problem number 3, here it is given probabilities of two events are related. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equals to P of A. This implies P of A cancel out both sides. We'll got P of B equals to P of A intersection B. A and B is A intersection B. This implies P of A by B will become what? P of A intersection B upon P of B. That is P of B upon P of B, that is 1. So hence answer B is correct. Clear? Problem number 4. 3 cards are drawn successively without replacement from a pack of 52 well shuffled cards. The probability that first two cards are kings and the third card is drawn is S. Okay. So यहाँ पे जो कार्ड ड्रॉन कर रहे हैं वन बाय वन वी आर ड्राइंग एंड वी आर नॉट रिप्लेसिंग अगेन अगर द कार्ड ड्रॉन वाज नॉट प्लेस अगेन. ओके, सो जैसे एक कार्ड निकला है उसको साइड में रख दिया है, उसको वापस से शफल करके वापस कार्ड में नहीं डाल. ओके, सो सबसे पहले किंग आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना होगा? दैट्स 4/52 ऑब्वियसली. नाउ द किंग इज है ना साइड में रख दिया है. फिर उसके बाद में 51 कार्ड्स बचे हैं, उसमें से किंग्स अगेन वापस आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 3/51. करेक्ट, that will be multiplied, and then the third event is we have to find the card of ace from the 50 cards. So it is 4/50. When you simplify you will get 2 divided by 5525. Option A is correct. Chalo, fifth is R be a relation in the set N given by R is a relation comma B ordered pair where the A is equals to B minus 2 and B is less than 6. So here the value of B is less than 6. Okay, and the difference between A and B is 2. A is 2 less than B. Correct. So only option B is satisfied. Option D is satisfied. Correct. Okay, seventh one is easy. Cos inverse x range, it's already defined. It is from 0 to pi. Correct. Sixth problem is given. It is from NCERT only. The function is from natural number to natural number, and function is defined as if n is odd, it's n plus 1 by 2, and if it is n is even, it's n by 2. So for all natural numbers, I have drawn the mapping diagram. You can see at 1 and 2 you are getting both 1, and 2, 3 and 4 you are getting 2. So it is a many one function you can see, and for every output is connected to input. There is nothing left in the codomain side. So range is codomain, then it is an onto. That's why option A is correct. Okay, problem number 8 is sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5. Okay, generally people do mistakes while solving. This is sine inverse sine theta is sine theta they will assume, but it is only valid when the theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Correct. So here I will simplify this 3 pi by 5 as a pi minus theta because sine pi minus theta is sine theta. Now I got 2 pi by 5 which is in the pi by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 limit. That's why answer is B is correct. Okay, problem number 9, that is tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. So here sine inverse 1 by 2 is 30 degree. 30 multiplied 2, that is you will get 60 degree, and cos 60 is again 1 by 2 will be multiplied to 1, you will get tan inverse 1. The answer will be pi by 4, 45 degree. Hence option C is correct. Okay. In 10th problem, A is given and such that A square is I. So we'll find A square first. We'll get A square plus BC 0 0 BC plus A square. And it is given as a I. So this implies A square plus BC is 1. So we can see option A is correct, which is satisfying. Okay. 11th is A and B are here given two skew symmetric matrices of same order. So it's asking AB minus BA is what? Zero matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric, identity matrix. Okay. So we know for a skew symmetric matrix, a transpose of matrix is equals to minus times that of matrix. Okay. So we have done what? AB minus BA का transpose ले लिया. We got B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B. While solving, we'll get BA minus AB, which is minus times AB minus BA. That means this is also a skew symmetric matrix. That's why option C is correct. Okay. Problem number 12 is what? A is given as a matrix and A square plus I it is asking. So A square, we will find this. When you got A square, you will got 1 minus 2, 4 and minus 4. If we'll add I, identity matrix, you got 2 minus 2, 4 and minus 3. So if we'll compare with the options, the option is only satisfying. Okay, that's option B is correct. Problem number 13, if area of triangle is given and the vertices are given. Okay, one vertex is with k value. So we'll use the formula. The delta is the area of triangle is 1 by 2 determinant of 3.111 and then take the mod. So we'll get two values of delta plus minus 70 when mode will open, so it will become 70. So when you take positive and negative sign, you will get two values, 12 and minus 2. Okay, 14 is what? A and B both are given and we have to find the A square plus B square. So when you do A squaring, you will get 400090 and 0016 by the multiplication method. Similarly, you will get B square. If you add this, you will get option B as a correct answer. Okay, next is 15 number problem. Inverse of a matrix A is given as a this, and then we have to find this. So we know A matrix is given, so determinant of A we have find out, and we know the formula that A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. While solving, we'll get A and B. If I'll add, you will get minus 2 by 11 plus 4 by 11, you will get 2 by 11. That's why option C is correct. 16, if function is continuous at point x equals to pi, so we'll compare the left hand limit and the right hand limit. So when you put in the left side, you will get k pi plus 1, and when you put in right side, you will get cos pi, which is minus 1. If we'll compare, if we'll take two values equal, you will get k as a minus 2 by pi. That's why option A is correct. 17 number problem, that is x is 80 square and y is 280 is given, and we have to find d square y upon double derivative we have to find. So we'll find dy by dx first. So dy by dx we can find using dy by dt and dx by dt. It is parametric differentiation. Okay. So 2a upon 280 it is 1 upon t. D square y upon dx square, you got d by dx of dy by dx. So we'll find, you will get 1 by t and dt by dx. So we'll get minus 1 upon t square, and dt by dx is 1 upon 280. If we'll put t square value, you will get minus x by a, and 280 is y. So option B is satisfying. 18 number problem, it is given y is equals to log again basis 2026. We have to find the dy by dx. So we'll use the property log ab as a log b by log a. Okay, so it is base changing theorem we can say. Then we will differentiate dy by dx, so it is constant 1 upon log 2026, and d by dx of log base 2025 number is x. So again we can write log m, the log as a log x by log 2025 and then log m minus log n. If we differentiate, we will get this, and option A is correct. 19 is e raised to power y x plus 1 multiplied is equals to 1. Then we have to find d square y on dx square minus dy by dx ka whole square. So x plus 1 equals to e raised to power minus y. So when you differentiate both sides with respect to x, you will get dy by dx as e minus e raised to power y. Again you differentiate, you will get minus e raised to power y again. So you will get dy by dx ka whole square, that is equal. So if you will subtract both, you will get the correct answer 0. 20th problem. Total revenue in funds rupees is given from the sales of X units. Rx is given. The marginal revenue it is asking. So we have to differentiate that for marginal revenue. Add as X and we'll put the values of X at point. So we'll get option D as a 126 as an answer. Problem number 21. The maximum value of function fx equals to minus of mod of x plus 1 plus 3 is given. It is asking the maximum value. We know the mod x maximum range is from 0 to infinity. Similarly, minus of mod x is range from minus infinity to 0. So maximum value is 3 only. That's why option A is correct. 22nd, the interval in which x square e raised to power minus x is decreasing is, so just differentiate this and make the dy by dx less than 0 for decreasing. So interval we are getting is minus infinity to 0 and 2 to infinity. So our correct answer is A. Option B is also correct, but it is just subset. So more accurate will be A only. Okay. 23rd is x square x sec cos x square x. We have to integrate this. So I have written sec square x 1 upon cos square x 1 upon sin square x. Then I have written numerator 1 as a sin square x plus cos square x. When I take this, I will get sec square x plus cos x square x. What is the integration of sec square x? It is tan x and cos x square x minus cot x. Option B is correct. 24th. It is a standard problem already in NCERT. Dx upon root and 9x minus 4x square. So just we have to make the form under root of a square minus x square differentiation in the denominator. So we'll get sin inverse x by a. So option B we are getting. 25th, sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. It is minus cos x. Okay, 2 theta formula. And we have to integrate from 0 to pi. Cos x integration is sin x. When you put limit, you will get 0. 26. Dx upon 1 plus root cot x integrating from pi by 6 to pi by 3. It is a definite integration. So here we have converted cos into cos and sine, and then we have used the property f of x integration from a to b is what equals to f of a plus b minus x integration a to b same. So we'll got second equation root cos x upon this. If we'll add these two, you will get 2y is equals to integration of the numerator and denominator will become same. So cancel out, you will get 1. So and the integration of 1 is x. The limit of difference of limits will come. So that is pi by 6. That is your 2i. So I is pi by 12. Hence answer B is correct. 27. 27 is e raised to power x 1 minus x upon 1 plus x ka whole square. Dx is there. So we'll open this bracket. Numerator 1 plus x square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square ka whole square. So you can see I have split it into two terms. First one is your fx and the second one is your differentiation of fx. So here we are getting the using the property of this standard formula, we'll get e raised to power x into function which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. That's why option C is correct. 28th. So in this I have taken e raised to power 2025 and e raised to power 2026 respectively common in numerator and denominator. So I got 1 by e, then e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x upon e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x. Then I have taken denominator as a t. So I got ln t, which is, that's why option A is correct. 29. The area of ellipse it is asking. So we have converted into standard form x square by 36 plus y square by 16 is 1 and area of ellipse is pi ab. So in first quadrant it is pi ab by 4. That's why we are getting 6 pi, which is option D is correct. 30. The area bounded by the x into mod x and the x-axis and the ordinates x equals to minus 1 to 1. So I have drawn the graph here. You can see from minus 1 to 1. So you can see the area is what? It is twice the area from 0 to 1. We can do this. So I have just find out from 0 to 1 area, that is 1 by 3, and I make it double. You will get option A as the correct answer. 31. The order and the degree of differential equation. Here one side square root and one side cube root is there. So here we have done the sixth power both side. So you got d square y 1 plus d square y upon dx square ka whole power 6 by 2 and x plus dy by dx ka whole cube ka power 6 by 3. So we got here order is already 2 and the power of that is 3. 2 power 3 is 6. So hence the degree is 6. Okay, 32. The number of arbitrary constant in a particular solution of differential equation. We always know it is 0. It does not matter. It's always 0. For general solution, it is the first order. But for particular solution, it is always 0. 33. The general solution of differential equation we have to take. So dy by dx is given as e raised to power x plus y. So e raised to power x and e raised to power we have separated. Now it is a variable separable form. We will integrate both sides. We'll got the answer. Option C is correct. 34. If two vectors A and B are given such that magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 3, and A dot B is 4, then we have to find mod of A minus B vector ka. So we will do always do squaring both side. I will let this is x and I have done the squaring. So mod of A ka square is A into A dot product. So we'll do the using this result. A dot A minus 2 times A dot B plus mod of B ka whole square. We'll put the values here. We'll get the root 5 as an answer. That's why option C is correct. Area of triangle with vertices is given. Vertices are given, so you can see A, B, C are vertices. So we know the formula. It is 1 by 2 mod of A cross B. A cross B is the adjacent sides of a triangle. So we'll find A and B first. When take the A cross B, I got this. Then have find the magnitude of A cross B, which is root 61, and the answer is root 61 by 2. D option is correct. 36. I dot k cross j, j dot k cross I, and k dot j cross I. So k cross j is minus I, k cross I is j, j cross I is minus k. So we will get I dot minus I is minus 1, j dot j is 1, k dot minus k is minus 1. So hence the answer is minus 1. Option B is correct. Angle between pair of given lines are r equals to this a plus lambda b and r equals to a1 plus lambda b1 plus a2 plus mu b2 is always the angle between b1 and b2. So I have just find the cos theta, which is b1 dot b2 1 mod b1 mod b2. Will simplify, you will get 19 by 21. So theta is what? Cos inverse 19 by 21. Option C is correct. 38 lines are given are perpendicular. We have to find P. So first we'll make it into the standard forms. So we'll find the DRs of these two lines, then we'll do the relation a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 z equals to 0. We'll get P as a 70 by 11. Option A is correct. 39 vector equation, it is asking through passing through 1 2 minus 4 and the perpendicular to two lines. So we will find the dr of the lines which is perpendicular to these two is cross product of these two vectors. Dr of these two we have find. So we are getting dr as a 236 positive. So the line will be I plus 2j minus 4k and plus lambda times 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Option A is correct. 40. The coordinates of corner points of the bounded regions are given. Minimum of objective function we have to find. Just put the point into this z. We'll find z is minimum is 60. So which that's option D is correct. Thank you for watching.